Hello, my dear students. Let us solve the questions of exercise 8B of chapter matrices. In this chapter, we will be dealing with addition, subtraction, multiplication by scalar, multiplication by scalar, division by scalar, here addition subtraction of matrices. In the live class I told you that the addition or subtraction of two matrices is possible only when they have the same order. If two matrices have same order, then we can add the matrices. To add the matrices, we add their corresponding elements. Keep it in mind, corresponding elements. Question number 1. We have to find the value of x, which is the sum of three matrices A, B and C. The matrices A, B and C are 3, 2, minus 2, minus 1 and 1 minus 3. My dear students, to get the sum of these three matrices, which is equal to matrix X, what we do? This element should be added with this one and this one. So these are in the first row, first place. So how do we add? 3. Here plus we have. So it becomes minus 2 plus 1. This when we simplify, we will get the first element. Now second one. 2 plus into minus, minus 1 minus 3. So we get here 3, 1, 4 minus 2, 2. 3, 1, 4 minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. So the matrix X has two elements, 2 minus 2. When we add the matrices, the result is a matrix and it has the same order what the order we have here of A, B and C. They have the order of 2 by 2 rows, 1 column, 2 by 1. So here the order is 2 by 1. Fourth part of this question. 2x is equal to A minus C. We have to solve this equation, which is matrix equation, to find x. Let us first substitute the matrices A and C in this equation. Matrix A, 3, 2, minus matrix C, 1, minus 3. Be careful, you are doing subtraction. So 3 and 1. They are corresponding elements. So 3 minus 1. Now second one. 2 minus 3. I think you know minus becomes plus. So 2 plus 3. So we get here result A minus C as 2, 5. But this is not the answer. This is 2 times matrix X. Therefore, X is equal to 2, 5 divided by 2. Let us do division of the matrix by this scalar 2. When a matrix is divided by a scalar or multiplied by a scalar, its every element should be multiplied by that scalar or divided by that scalar. So using that concept, we can write it as 2 by 2, 5 by 2, which becomes 1 and 5 by 2. So the result is 1, 5 by 2. Now question number 3. We have matrix A and matrix B. What we want? We want to simplify this expression 2A minus 3B. What we do? We substitute here matrix A, here matrix B. Let us substitute 2, matrix A. 2, 0, minus 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 2, 3, 0, 1, minus 2, 3. As I told you, when a matrix is multiplied by a scalar, to get the result, every element of the matrix should be multiplied by that scalar. So result will be a matrix, but the elements of this matrix will be 4, 0, minus 6, 2. Then here we make mistake. If you multiply the elements of this matrix by minus 3, then here you will have to write the symbol of addition, or let it be subtraction minus, and we multiply every element by 3. So what am I doing? I am multiplying every element by 3, not by minus 3. So 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 3 into 3, 9. Now do the subtraction. Be careful because you are doing subtraction. So first element, 4 minus 0, 0, minus 3, minus 6, minus, you see, you are doing subtraction, minus, so plus 6, 2 minus 9. Let us simplify to get the answer. To get the answer, we will use the algebraic law. We get 4 minus 3, 0, minus 7. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. In this question number 6, we have an equation of matrix. We have an equation of matrix 2 times 3, 4, 2 times 3, 4, 5, x. plus 1y 0 1 is equal to 7 0 10 5. My dear students, this is an equation which involves the matrices. So, to get the values of x and y, which are the elements of the matrices, we need to simplify this side. Then we will compare the elements of both the sides matrices. Let us multiply this matrix by 2. We get 6, 8, 10, 2x plus 1 y 0 1 7 0 10 5. Let us add these two matrices. The corresponding element 6 plus 1 7. This time I am using shortcut. 8 plus y 8 plus y. 10 plus 0 10. 2x plus 1 2x plus 1 is equal to 7 0 10 5. We see that we have got two matrices equal. So what we do? We compare their elements. 7 is equal to 7. 8 plus y is equal to 0. So we will compare the elements which will give the values of x and y. So 8 plus y should be compared with 0. 8 plus y is equal to 0. And second, this one should be compared with 5. 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. So this gives us y is equal to 0 minus 8, and this gives us 2x is equal to 5 minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4 by 2, 2, and y is equal to minus 8. Answer. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is minus 8. One more question. That is question number 7. We have an equation A3 4 2 plus 2b 1 minus 2. Third one, minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 2c is equal to 5073. 5073. I repeat, I read this way. A432 2 1 b minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 1c is equal to 5703. Let us simplify this side. The corresponding elements a plus 2 minus 1 3 plus b minus 1. Come to this side. 4 plus 1 plus 2. 2 minus 2 minus c is equal to 5073. Simplify this part. A plus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 plus b, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7, 2 minus 2, 0. This side we have 5073. Let us do comparison. A plus 1 is equal to 5. 2 plus b is equal to 0. Minus c is equal to 3. So this gives us a is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. B is equal to 0 minus 2, minus 2. And c is equal to minus 3. So we have got the values of A, B and C. What we did? We did addition, subtraction. So for today, this much is enough. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.